Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. It's super easy. Please follow the steps that I'm showing you in this video. So we will go over to Canva. We'll click on create a design option right here, and as we can see that there are two options, YouTube banner and YouTube thumbnail. We will click on YouTube thumbnail. It will go on a new window. So what will it do actually? It will provide us, Canva will provide us hundreds and thousands of YouTube thumbnail templates where we can actually edit it to our own liking, and we can customize that template as per our liking. We can see that there are different categories that you can work on. If your channel is about gaming, you can see that there's a category for gaming. You can choose on gaming and you will see that there are YouTube thumbnail related to gaming. If gaming is not your vibe or it's not your channel's main niche, you can select anyone from here. Let's say travel. Let's say if you're a travel blogger, you can click on travel, and we can see that there are thousands of templates that we can actually edit and create to our own personal choice. Let's say we will choose this one. We can see that there are different variations of pictures right here. We can actually edit these pictures and we can put our own images. You just have to remove these images, or if you want you can keep those images. Let's say if I want to remove them, we will simply select that specific picture and click on the delete key on our keyboard, just like that. And we can do the same with everything, or if you want you can keep some of the pictures. Now, how do we insert a picture over here? As we can see, there is no picture. Simply we will go to upload. You can upload your files. If you can upload your images from this option, upload files. I already have my images. Let's say I'm selecting these. You can just click and drag them over here. It's just an example. You can change the title. Let's say let's travel to Paris. Travel to Paris. You can change the font color, you can change the font style, you can change the size of that font. You can do everything with it. Let's say 69, and let's give our font color as, let's keep it white, and we can choose any type of font from here. I'm choosing this one. You can choose any one of them. You can use Grammarly. This is another software to check your grammars. If you want, you can check it to avoid any type of spelling errors. You can add multiple stickers and elements from this element option. You can insert shapes, you can insert any type of stickers through this element option. Let's say I want this visual effect. We can see that it gives us a little visual effect. We can add more stickers from here. Let's say you have a subscribe button. You can use this little arrow to indicate to a subscribe button. You can go to text. You can add headings, subheadings, etc. There are font combination. You can use any of those. There are so many options in Canva where you can use to create an awesome template, an awesome thumbnail for your YouTube video. But unfortunately, some of the options are prepaid, like exclusive version of Canva, where you have to pay it. the pro version, but Canva is already providing us a lot of options where you can edit that template or edit anything and create to your own customization. You can customize that template, you can make it brand new, you can use it for your YouTube video. I hope this little tutorial helped you in creating your own YouTube thumbnail for free using Canva. Thank you for watching.